Hey, this is Matt, and today we're going to look at exiting rules using the backtester. I've run a couple tests here that we can edit and look at the exit rules. Let's start with a long put. And we could edit that so there are no exit rules yet. One of the things that you might want to think about with a long put is exiting early after the market's already gone down. You could get out and roll out. So let's do 2, and notice that it's 2.0 represents 200%. So let's do 2.0 and see how that looks. Also, why don't we look at a short put spread while that one's running. Again, it takes about a minute for those to run. So a put spread is important because we could look at exiting on a spread delta. This particular put spread is about a 15 delta. So let's look at what happens if we exit on when the delta goes up to 50 delta. So let's submit that and see how that looks. So the put spread is back, and that did improve the results over the 269, now 296. So what this is doing is it's getting out early. Now let's look at what happened with the long put. So it returned and actually improved the results a little bit here. Try something else here. Let's exit on a strike trigger, and that strike trigger can be either delta or out of the money percentage. So this is a 15 delta put, so we might try to get out if it goes above, for example, a 40 delta, and we could run that. And then let's go back and look at some exits for a put spread here. So here's our put spread. Let's edit that. So we've gone through the first 3. Now exit on strike difference. This is an interesting one. When the trade price divided by the difference in stock prices. So I like this one. So you might get out when the difference is 80%. So you've already made it's already gone up 80%, or there's only maybe 10% lost or left in the spread. So let's submit that and see how that affects the tests. All right, while these are running, let's look at another exit strategy that we might implement. So I'm back to that long put, and there's something called exit hold days. So exit after you've held this for a certain amount of days. Now this is a 300-day ideal or target. So let's just say we exit after 150 days. So that was exiting after hold days, and then there's also days to expiration. The difference is if you get in with 300 days, you've held it for 150 days. Whereas what we might do here is this: we're going to get out when the days to expiration equal, let's just say 90. So that is how many days are left in the test. So we'll take a look at that particular exit rule. Okay, for the last 2 exit rules, we'll take a look at the Apple put spread, and we'll see that exit with a certain spread price. So if there's only let's just say 10 cents left in the spread, we could exit it there. And then the last one is exit with a certain business days to earnings. So what we can do there is we could say, well, I don't want to be in at earnings, so exit the day before earnings, and I could send that as an exit. So we'll submit those, and we'll take a look at how all of these performed. The other exits that we use, look reasonable within here. So let's review. So we've gone over all of the exit rules. Exit on profit and loss. We exited when we made 200% on our money here on the put. We exited the spread delta. We exited on a strike trigger when a particular one of the legs, we could control all of them, hit a certain out of the money percentage or delta. Strike difference, when a strike difference is, say, 10, you could get out at 10% as that has gone by, or at 80% or 90% has gone by. Hold days, exiting when you've held a position for a certain amount of time, or exit on days to expiration is how many days are actually left until expiration. exiting on spread price is the spread price of the entire legs netted out, and you get out at a certain price, and then exit business days before earning. In this case, we wanted to avoid earning, so we got out before. All right, so I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.